Daddy, may bibigay ako sa'yo.
Ano yan?
This one.
What's this? Ano to?
It's a ball pen.
This one?
Yeah, open that first.
Answer ko to?
Yes.
You love me? Yes. Wow. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Daddy, for taking care of me. But I love you. You love me. And again, Happy Valentine's Day from Amara. What's this? Meron ba dito? Meron pa sa back?
This is the best